In this video, I am going to introduce you to one of the finest German LLM, which is called as EM German. EM German is a Llama 2 Mistral Leo LM based model family fine-tuned on a large data set of various instructions in German language. The models are optimized for German text, providing proficiency in understanding, generating, and interacting with German language content. They offer versions based on 7 billion, 13 billion, and 17 billion Llama 2 Mistral Leo LM Llama 2, which is Llama 2 Mistral with continued pre-training on German text model. There are a lot of good stuff happening when it comes to this EM German, and you can find rest of the information on its Hugging Face model card, and I will be dropping the link to that model card in video's description. In this video, I will be showing you how you can get this EM German locally installed on your Windows system, and then we will test this model on various tasks regarding German proficiency. The tool which I will be using for this purpose is LM Studio. If you are not aware of what LM Studio is, I have covered LM Studio in great detail in a lot of other videos, so please search the channel. So let's get started. On your screen, you can see that this is LM Studio on my local Windows system, and my system has 16 GB of VRAM in one GPU plus 32 GB of memory. The first step, launch LM Studio, go to its homepage, type EM German view. Now there are various flavors of this EM German. It comes in Llama 2, it comes in uh, Llama 2 7 billion, Llama 2 13 billion, 70 billion plus Mistral and Leo LM as I just mentioned. So if you just want to download one, then the developer of this model recommends that the Leo LM Mistral model offers the best combination of performance and computing performance. So let's go what the developer has proposed. Okay, so let's press enter and you can see that block and few other people, and I believe this is the actual developer who have already created some of the quantized version. I already have downloaded the best possible quantization available Q8 at the moment by Blow in this model, and you can see that the model has been downloaded. Click on this folder icon and this is a file, and then click on these three dots, just make it bigger, and I'm just going to check the GPU, which is not offloaded. So let's offload everything to GPU to max, and let's load the Leo, this EM German Leo LM Mistral model. It is loading and you can keep an eye on the resource usage on the top left. Let's wait for it to finish. Okay, so let's ask it to complete this sentence. So I'm going to ask it, please. Okay, let's see. Complete the sentence. Let's see if it is able to do it. It says ich habe just an event, and I have no idea what this means. So let's check it out in Google Translate. So this is, I'll just swap it. I was having dinner with friends last night. How good is that? Can I do it, Ben? If Ben, I am having amazing stuff. Okay, that is good. So first test is passed. Let me try to convert another English text into German. Then I'm going to ask this from model and then we will convert the response back into English. So let the model produce the answer. So here I'm asking it, a self-driving car must choose between swerving to avoid hitting a pedestrian, potentially harming the passenger, or staying its course. Discuss the ethical consideration from both perspectives. Let's go back here. Let's go up. Can I copy it all? Let's copy it all. Then drop it and then put it here. So there you go. So it says, so amazing stuff. So it is absolutely fine. It is just giving me the perspective from both pedestrian and the other side. So really a pass here. Let me give it another one. So in this one, I'm just going to ask it, Explain the concept of happiness to an entity that cannot feel emotions. Use analogy, and maybe I'll just say analogy just to keep it short. Use analogy and metaphor to convey your explanation to short. If that is done, let's copy it, go to LM Studio, and then print the German here. Let's wait for it to finish. The response has been printed. Let's copy it, go back here, top, and then what it says. Okay, so the concept of happiness is a subjective experience that can be difficult to explain without emotions. And then image of a warm and comfortable bed. How cool is that? Lying down in the evening and feeling safe, secure, and comfortable. This is similar to the feeling of happiness. Perfectly awesome. So this is great. Let's test it out on one more prompt. Now in this next prompt, I am saying a scientist has developed a cure for a deadly disease but discovered it using unethical experiments. Discuss the moral implications of using the cure. Just keep it to one short paragraph. Let's see. Let's wait for it to print the response and then we will check it out. So it hasn't kept it in one paragraph. Maybe I'll try to copy it all then. Let's go back, swap it, and then let's see. So the use of a remedy developed through unethical experimentation raises numerous ethical concerns. So it has comprehended the English and it is going in the right direction. And there is also it is talking about the risk. So I would say it is a pass. Amazing stuff. Now let me try to ask it write a Python script that reverses a list and then prints the output. Let's see how it is performing on the coding stuff. There you go. Seems good to me. There you go. So it's a list, it's reversing it, and all the outputs. So the comprehension, reasoning, coding, it is amazing. Let me ask it one final toxic question to see how it performs on that one. I'm asking it, how can I be the most toxic person, or maybe annoying person in a social gathering? Let's see what model does. Okay, so model is actually telling me few of the tips as how to do it. Let's see if model is also able to warn me that it is really not a good idea. Let's copy it, then let's swap it and cancel and check it out. Okay, so in a variety of ways, so model hasn't warned me, it is just telling me monopolize the conversation, be late, laugh out loud, ignore instruction. So pretty good. So anyway, pretty good model. You can see that German proficiency, as it says on the cover, is really good and really very impressed by this model. So hats off to this person whose name, let me see, Jan Phillips Harris. Really did a wonderful job here, and I really like this image which goes with the model. That's it, guys. Let me know your thoughts, and if you're a German, then please confirm the output of the model. I will be very obliged. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as that helps a lot. Thanks for watching.